I really will consider cooking as my main hobby now because I love cooking and I spend so much time cooking. And especially when I'm free from work, when I don't have to go anywhere, I like to prep some things. Today I want to make pori masala, I want to make a green chili pickle, and yeah, I will take you guys along. I will show you my breakfast, lunch and dinner. But really important is that I'm not cooking that much every day, of course. Like when I go to my work, I mostly meal prep or do something more simple. But today, yeah, I just want to enjoy the process and want to take you guys along. So enjoy the video. Yay! And this color and this material is so amazing. I love it. These are the moments where I realized that I became too much Indian actually, because every morning I come in the kitchen, there is something soaked overnight. Today it's some green moong dal and chana dal which I soak because I want to make some chillers. And yeah, every day I soak some almonds and walnuts. Yes, I finished my coffee and I already finished my reading session. Like, reading is such a blessing for me. I just love reading, and every day I'll try to read, like in the morning especially, because it affects my mood. But now I'm very hungry, so I will just take them out and try to peel the almonds. This is my breakfast plate. It's very important to wash our hands now. Next, chutney puri. I'm so happy, I'm so excited. Chutney puri, I don't know how much amount of chutney puri I could use every day. So some curry leaves, then some chana dal, urad dal, dry coconut, peanuts, dried red chilies, and I even like to put like some sesame seeds, jeera, cardamom, some black pepper, cinnamon and clove. Like, I'm always putting as much as I think, so actually every time it tastes a little bit different, because sometimes I put more dal, sometimes I put more chili, sometimes I put less. The only thing that matters is that it tastes good at the end. Okay, I roasted all the ingredients and it smells amazing already. Now I will put a very little bit of hing, maybe a little bit more. Yes. And I find it a little bit hard to like mix or grind it properly because I don't have the small mixie like in India. The taste is good. Guys, I'm hungry now. Today I want to eat some green moong dal chillers for like breakfast and lunch. So I will wash them once more. Add the dal, like green moong dal and chana dal. Podi masala makes everything 1,000 times tastier. Hello again. I changed into something more comfortable now, and I removed my earrings also. Eventually I took a small nap, that's why. Now I'll prepare dinner, and I want to make rasam, rice and some paneer sabzi.